Now, I know this is a Mustang Supercharger, but 20,000 for the 2003? I don't know about that, y'all. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video today, and we are at IAA. All that just rhymed. If you guys are interested in learning how to buy, sell, properly inspect cars, man, how to get your dealer license, make sure y'all head on over to whdacademy.com. $19.99. I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know. All right, here we go. Can y'all believe that they want $20,000 for this? Yes, $20,000 is the like buy it now price. If y'all don't remember this, I showed y'all this last week. I think it was last week. It was like the bid was like 5,000, but that didn't sell. They want it didn't sell for like 5, 6. No, it was like it came up to like 6,000, I think, but it still didn't sell. They want $20,000 for this. This is a 03, bro. $20,000 03. I mean, I think that's kind of wild, if you ask me. But I can show y'all again the car. Just show y'all again real quick. Show y'all what we working with. All right. So you can see it's clean. I think the hood open. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's open. Yeah. So you see it's stick shift, all that, 160 on the miles. Now this is why they want 20K for it though. That's crazy to me. 20K for 03. I don't know about that, y'all. I don't know about that. Where the heck is it? There you go. Now, I know this is a Mustang Supercharger, but 20,000 for the 2003? I don't know about that, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. All right, but that's what they want for it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that in those comments, man. But other than that, what else we got here? We got a couple other little cars to check out. Let's get into it, man, because I gotta go somewhere else today. You know, we gotta be. I'm gonna try to hit like 2 auctions today. 2 different ones. Let's see what we got. I'm not sure if did they sell that. A B. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong. I'm supposed to be looking over here. Let's see. Dang. Oh, gotta make sure I don't pass my car, y'all, because I'll be walking all day. Hold on.
All right, Hustle Nation, I decided to drop a low ticket course for those of you who cannot afford the full curriculum for $147. I decided to drop a course for just $19.99, where I'm going to teach you how to inspect any car, whether from a private party buyer or the auction. These skills you can use for a lifetime, and I still use these skills to this day. This is the foundation that's going to take you to a whole nother level when it comes to checking out cars. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money. Here are some testimonials right here where you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. So for just $19.99, click the link in the description below and I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know.
All right, we have a Jeep Compass. No, wait, this is a Compass. This is a Patriot. Okay, Patriot. Dang. Look how thick paint be. Like, that looks bad though, I ain't gonna lie. Have to spray that touch-up paint. Something. Let's get inside, let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is one weird looking car. It's like not a lot of room in here at all. They got power though, let's crank him up. Oh man. This is a location that don't allow you to bring jump boxes in. So, damn. I don't really like Jeep Liberties and stuff like that. This got that 2.4. I don't really like these, but I would have messed with it if it was cool. But all right, so y'all remember, man, some auctions you can crank up cars, and some auctions you can't. Like this is one of the places. I mean, jump boxes, my bad. This is one of them places. Well, it like I say, different locations, different things. Like I can go to one IAA location, and they be cool. They be cool with you bringing a jump box, letting you crank up the cars and everything. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes the auction even be tripping about you cranking up the car. Like it just depends on what location you at. You know what I mean? So that's just a part of this business, and y'all know how I am, bro. If I can't crank up the car, bro, I can't buy the car, bro, at all. I can't do nothing with it. I'm not taking no chances, and no, not me. I will leave that up to you guys. I'll let you guys do that. You guys take your chances and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this hard. Oh, I didn't even notice what we had right here. That boy AMG. I keep seeing these, y'all. What's going on? Is this one of these in my future, bro? Now, I don't know what's going on with this one. This one linked. I ain't gonna lie, I never really liked the hard top. The hard top hard. They ain't even got nothing on this, no numbers on this mug, nothing. This mug hard though. I like this. I ain't gonna lie. What y'all think? Y'all like it? No wheels hard too. We just seen one of these yesterday. It ain't gonna start, is it? No. I can get jiggy with this, man. This one got the sunroof. 160. This AMG is AMG though. I thought AMG had like 180 on it. I mean 200 on it. This one hard though. Unfortunately, I can't tell y'all no price or nothing. They don't got no carbon fiber on it. Smoke hard though. Oh damn. Smoke hard though. Let's make sure this is the motor. The one with the big motor. It should be. Dang, this mug nice, bro. I never really even liked the hard top, but y'all know we seen the soft top yesterday. That joint could go crazy. Hold on. Oh, it's broke. I ain't gonna even be able to. Let's see. There we go. Oh no, this ain't the V8. They fooled me, bruh. No wonder why. It was looking a little different in there. Nah, this ain't the big boy right here, y'all. This must be the 300. It's gotta be the 300. It's missing the badge. Fool me, bruh. Fool me. Look at this. Dang. That's crazy. Ooh. Can't break that one. Dang. Dang. That boy to work. Check this out. We got an old school Cutlass Sierra right here. Interested to see if this is gonna crank. This type of stuff my boy Phantom Mobiles like to buy. My boy Bruce Mobile. Don't get me wrong, I buy this too. No, if it's riding. Trust me. Trust me. Cheap? Oh, I'll take it. We got power. Oh, snap. Moment of truth. Hold on. It's shaking though. Y'all see the steering wheel shake? The whole car kind of shaking. It's clean though. Inside in, no. Or at least on the inside, brother. Nah, this trash right here, bro. It might run though, but like when I put it in gear, I just feel nah. The power locks. Nah, not this one, y'all. Not this. You got good tires and everything on it. Hubcap. Old school Cutlass, boy. All right. See what else we got.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.
Just the car I was looking for. Uh-huh. Man, I hope this mug crank up. Now, this one got the sunroof, bruh. Yep, another Sonata. And y'all remember, I had drove far to get that bumper, right? And it was the wrong color bumper. So, guess what? This one got duals. I can go back and get that same color bumper. That match. Never mind. Damn, this hit did not look like this in person on that picture. That's why I tell you guys all the time, it is so important to go look at these cars in person. It is super important because it did not look like this, bro. Now this is we can't buy for sure. It looked like it got them eBay taillights on there too, but this we can't buy. And this was the turbo too. I never had the turbo before. I just realized that the turbo and the hybrid is different. They got a turbo and they got a hybrid. I go all the pieces of the bolts and stuff right there. I'm just here curious to see how this one crank up, how it sounds. This one got the screen. Let's crank up too. Man, I knew it wasn't gonna be nothing wrong. I be having 86,000 miles. I be having like call this one got the paddle shifters. I be having like a freaking. I be knowing, bro, whether these cars is gonna be lemons or they gonna be straight. This one would have been straight, but that's too much right there for me. I mean, let's see. It did not look like this in the photo, though. That's what I'm tripping on. Bent that too. I ain't gonna lie, like he could push this out and looks like they tried to do something there maybe. But this could be pushed out but all this had to be pushed. Like, nah. Don't pass on this one, y'all. Don't pass on this one. Let's look at another car. We got I think one more to go. Yo, I'm playing with the ice, I ain't gonna lie. Like I'm a kid again, y'all. Okay, so this is a Honda that was hit, that was got front end damage, and I seen on the pictures that was like, I did see that. I seen in the pictures that the front end wasn't really messed up, so I was figuring maybe it could be like the last one, change some airbags, but I don't even think that's the case. I think something's going on up under the car. And if it don't got on power, man, you can't do nothing with it. No, I don't. Dang it.
Join my Patreon to speak to me one-on-one and to see how much I pay for each car on this YouTube channel. Link in the description below.